Welcome back to Nanshy's channel. Whether you're a makeup artist or enthusiast, it's important to have a good collection of makeup brushes to create flawless application. And I'm going to show you how to use several of them today. Starting with a flawless foundation brush to create an even base. Dot your foundation on your cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Then buff into the skin and blend towards the neck and ears until you see no harsh lines. For an airbrushed base, use the stippling brush. Its feathery duo fiber bristles applies liquid and cream products effectively. Using stippling with circular motions, I'm buffing out my foundation even further, especially around the jawline and neck. To cover any imperfections, apply concealer with the concealer brush. It's a small version of the flat top, but slightly dense and cut for precise application. Apply a small amount of product to brighten up dark areas like the under eyes, lids, and inner corners with light patting and blending motions. You may also cover any redness around the nose and any visible blemish or spots. To make sure the base stays put, set it with loose powder and the powder brush. It is perfectly large and fluffy enough for an even distribution of powder. Lightly pat, concentrating on the areas that get oily the most and where you've concealed. To bring structure to the face, the contouring brush does the job. Simply sweep and blend a contour product under the cheekbones, jawline, and on the temples. Its angled bristles fit into the hollows of the cheeks for precise application and can be used with powder or cream contour products. For a sun-kissed glow, apply bronzer with a blush and bronze brush. It's a little more dense, which disperses product without looking muddy. Sweep a small amount on the places you contoured, making a 3 shape. Then buff out so that there are no harsh lines. And whatever is left on the brush, lightly sweep across the forehead, nose, and chin where the sun would naturally hit. With the same fluffy design as the powder brush, the blush brush is smaller to fit the cheeks for blush application. Simply pop on the cheeks and gently sweep towards the temples. For a natural look, it's best to start with a little product and build. To glow more, the fan brush shaped with fine soft bristles allows you to apply highlighter evenly without looking like a disco ball. Gently sweep back and forth over the temples, brow bone, tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and cupid's bow. To apply a base or prime shadow on the eyelids, use the large shader brush. Its compact and dense bristles allow you to pack on eyeshadow layer by layer with patting and sweeping motions. To create depth on the crease of the eyes, use the eye crease brush. Apply a crease color starting from the outer V of the eye as well as the inner third with small circular motions. And whatever is left on the brush can be blended into the lower lash line. The soft dense bristles are shaped to a pointed composition for the most precise application. The blending eyeshadow brush allows you to create a blended, flawless eye look. Use it to blend out any harsh lines with light sweeping and circular motions. This way, the eyeshadows fade into each other beautifully. To add a cat eye shape, you will need the liner brush for ultra precision. First, coat the liner brush with a generous amount of gel or liquid liner, and with short strokes, create a line extending from the lower lash line and connect inwards to the middle of the top lash line. Then connect the inner third to the middle and fill in the waterline and any gaps. Whatever product is left on the brush, you can shade the outer third of the lower lash line for a connected look. To groom the lashes and brows, use the spoolie. The bristles are designed to fit between small hairs and push them in the right direction. After applying mascara, you can brush off any excess or separate the lashes from any clumping. With the other end, I like to use it to apply brow pomade or gel onto the brows for a brushed up lifted look. And finally, a lip brush is a must to fill in and shape the lips with ease and precision. Just follow the shape of your lips with short strokes and paint in your lip color. Start with a small amount and build the color until you get the desired pigmentation. And there you have flawless makeup application with our must-have brushes. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. For more tutorials, don't forget to follow Nanshy and subscribe to our YouTube channel.